With over 100 students in my STEM class, managing supplies and microbits can be daunting. Some people use an organizer like this. This is a two-sided one. It's a nice hard plastic case. The thing about these is they're kind of expensive. The supplies inside can get messed up and it's hard to really see what you have inside. I do use a case like this for storing my V2 microbits. If I have just smaller classes or we're not using a whole lot besides the microbits. These are for my V2s. I like this because inside I can label at the bottom and say what microbit goes there. I have the microbits labeled with a small circle and a number on it, and it's quick and easy to check which ones are missing after I've handed them out. And this is a nice option if you're not using a whole lot of extra supplies with your microbit, just your microbit. But in my class, we use a lot of other inputs and outputs, and so it's necessary to store things in a different way. So what I have found is that the best way for me is to get freezer bags from the dollar store. And they also have these cute little storage cups that can be round or square shaped. I use labels and then these tiny labels for the microbits. So what I do is I just number the bags. The number of the bag matches the number of the microbit that goes inside. So number 1 microbit goes into the number 1 bag. Inside the cup, which I have also labeled with the number 1 on the front and on the back. Inside the cup, I have a buzzer or a speaker and a light. Also inside the bag, I put 3 alligator clip wires of different colors. I like the different colors because it just helps them to see where everything is being connected. And this is just a quick, cheap way to have everything they need. I put their names on a label on the other side of the bag, and then all of these bags will go into a crate stored on a shelf. So all of my third hour bags will be here. They're named, they're labeled, everything is labeled. So if something goes missing or is not put back correctly, I can find where it goes. So this is what works for me with over 100 students. Something else that we all get frustrated by are tangled wires. Like nobody likes having these wires. So just giving the students the number of wires that they need, 3 to 5, eliminates that. The other way I store wires is just by bundling them up. They still get tangled though. I just bundle them up and then pull them out as needed. But the kids already have what they need. Unless something is broken or goes missing, I'm not dealing with these tangled wires nearly as much as I would otherwise. So my room right now, kind of a mess, but getting ready for 103 kids in less than a week. So I'll show you what it looks like when I am done.